Come in and celebrate with me.
Congratulations! Why is it good? We're in Ibiza! There's only two. Lisa, she'll be fine. I did that the other day to myself. Yeah, we're in Mandan.
My dad's in hospital.
Jordan's hospitalised currently. So yeah, it's just us again. It's always just me and you.
It is.
So yeah, we're in Mandan. Got on the way to Ibiza Rocks.
We've got a table that's made for 6 people.
Yeah. Right, and it's only me and Ariane. We're gonna be so drunk.
We're gonna be steaming.
So Ali's already here and we're supposed to be meeting Ali tonight for dinner. She's with her friends. I don't know if we're gonna make it.
We're gonna give it a good go.
Definitely. It's supposed to be go Cafe Mambo and I've never been. So I'd really like to go. It's supposed to be like really nice sunset.
Yeah.
So that would be nice. But
We'll try our best.
we'll see.
Even if we just meet them later.
Yeah. My outfit, I love my outfit.
So cool.
So cute. I wore this dress in Greece and I've made it a sarong.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag goo. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag goo. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh,
We may look a little different.
you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag goo. You a bad girl and your friends bad too.
So it's the next day. Yesterday was messy. We looked so cute when we got there. We made the mistake of wearing makeup though. Like full face of makeup.
Foundation and everything.
But yeah, it all came off in the water. And we looked a mess. That was fun. I don't even remember the night. After we were in that pool, I don't remember anything after that.
No, that's not blurry.
Anyways, I'm recovered now. It was rough this morning. I'm feeling better. But I'm gonna do a haul. What we got. So we weren't very prepared this morning, so I've bought some hangover drinks for tomorrow. Some more crisps. These are my funky purchases. So I got this hat. Right, I'm gonna show you the vision.
Oh wow.
Wow. I think she's cool. And you know what I've brought? I brought my double denim set. Maybe I could even throw the hat on and
Triple denim.
Triple denim, wow. Friendship bracelets as we do on every trip. Ariane's is the white, mine is the brown. My phone case is broke, so I bought this one. Little boarding pass. I like the red. And we're going to, what is it called? Glitterbox. We're going to Glitterbox tonight with Ali, and I keep saying Ali's friends, I feel really bad. I don't want to name them all.
Is
So,
Ellie here?
Ellie, Georgia, and Charlotte. Shout out to you. Wow. So I bought this top because everyone's wearing glitter stuff and we're not prepared. How cute.
Can't wait.
So we're gonna pop them on. Oh, you get sequins at the bottom. What do you do? Oh, hair. Oh, you don't want to put them in your hair, do you? I'll do it in my hair.
Maybe just like the tips of it. Or maybe, you know how people like part in the thing? Put it in the parting.
Yeah, love that.
Oh, tell him who's going to be performing.
You tell him.
Okay.
Tell him. Tell them.
I'll tell him.
Tell him.
Bob Sinclair! I'm so excited.
Ali rang us and she was like, are you coming tonight? So we were like, yeah, sure. And she's like, I don't know any of the DJs, but it's supposed to be the best club in the world. So I was like, all right, well, we'll definitely go. And it's not like unts, you know, I'm not into the unts.
It's disco.
It's disco, Ariane's favourite genre. So yeah, so Ariane looked at the lineup, she said, Bob Sinclair.
Everyone knows a bit of Bob Sinclair.
Everyone knows a bit about, not Alianza.
She will. We've had dance battles with Bob Sinclair on.
Dance battles. You too, honestly. Love that. How cute. Yeah, love. Gorge. Okay, we're going to Ali's hotel because she's staying in Bossa and we're in San Antonio, and she's closer to, we're going to a pool party again. Actually kill me. I'm not drinking.
Party.
I'm not drinking.
I love chill.
Yeah. I feel like I would want like a cocktail rather than like a mixer. If that's
definitely
possible.
a cocktail.
So that's the plan. Not seen Ali yet. We need to see her. So going to her hotel, drop our stuff off, and then we're gonna go to the pool party, go back to the hotel, get ready, and then go see our Bob.
Rock this body, dance everybody, make it hot in this party. Don't stop, move your body. Shame. She loves that.
Can't wait. Bye.
Baby, I want you to leave, but you stay. My brain.
Hi guys, we're going to the #1 club in the world. She's not a big techno girl, but tonight is more disco, happy, good feeling vibe. So we'll see. We'll update in the morning.
Baby, let's not do this again. We're just friends. Did you walk with a smile on my face? Wanted to end the night in my place. We need to, baby, but I always know how this is if you gon' play me. Ooh yeah, baby. Sound like I left out the prom with my date. You didn't read our.
The club wasn't for me.
Obviously. As we could have predicted.
We could have predicted, could have saved them pennies, but you know what? It's the best club in the world, apparently. So I've experienced it. So today we're going to Ocean Beach, and we didn't even know what time. We didn't go to sleep till 6. And we've had a stressful morning. We woke up at, what time did we wake up at?
Like 1.
What, 1:30, 1? My alarm was set for 2.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So I had 1 at 11, 1 at 12, 1 at 2.
No, right.
Anyways, so then Ali, who stayed out till God knows what time, was wide awake. Hey girls, how are you? Are you ready for Ocean? And we were like, no. What time are you going? She's like, oh, you've got plenty of time. I was like, brilliant. So we're just chilling. Next minute, I'm like, so what time are we getting there for? She's like, 3. I'm like, brilliant. Not even, we hadn't ate. We were so hungry last night. We got locked out the room. It was stressful. So this morning I was like, I need to eat, but Ariane convinced me to get ready first. So we got ready, pretty much ready.
Yeah.
Ariane had to do her hair, I had to do my makeup. We went to get food. She got KFC. We sat down in a restaurant. Then, oh no, then Ali texted me like, oh, I texted Ali saying what time is last entry. She said 4. I was like, okay. So we've had to run back. I had to get a KFC, which it's not my friend. KFC's not my friend. And yeah, it's 20 to 4. Did you hear that, Ariane?
It's 20 to 4 now.
It's 20 to 4 now.
Right, let's go.
So we need to go. We're gonna get a taxi there. I'm stressed.
Feeling very stressed.
But we found hair oil so fast.
We did. Miracle.
It was a miracle. The universe. We literally left the shop and we both went. The universe on our side.
We are making it to Ocean Beach.
Ali's text. Are you there yet?
No.
Hey, just setting off now. Anyways, we're going to Ocean Beach. Let's see what the vibe is. Hope there's a song I know. Hope there's some lyrics. More than 5 lyrics. That would be great.
You go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I think I'm by default and without any doubt, I'm a me, I be a doubt, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, I'm a mind that's in the talk, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble, she manipulate my love, I know holy, and I know that they post, like the Baba Frayo, my ayo, don't cry, yo, I need to go and shadow, I need to go and shadow.
We're gonna do a shot because Electra is not drunk. Everyone's drunk but me. What do you mean? I don't know if this is gonna go down well. I hope you get drunk now.
last morning here.
Yeah.
And the girls are getting tattoos, but I'm too scared, so that's not happening. Yeah. How much sleep did you get?
Went to sleep at 8. 2 hours.
2 hours sleep they've had. Very cranky girls. Not like Oriane, bed by 10. Banished to bed. And a bit too much, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, let's go.
Maybe this one? Yeah, that one. Oh, I'm excited.
Was it meant to be 30 or 40?
I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle light. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill.
Hi girls. Hi girls. Yeah, thank you. How was the tattoo, girls?
Take me off the roster. Take me off the roster.
Take her off.
It was fine.
Okay.
I mean, obviously it's tiny, so I can't compare it to people that get actual tattoos.
Yeah.
But yeah, it didn't hurt. I thought it was great.
Oriane?
Mine was painful. The tattoos that I've got, this one was the worst.
Going to Cafe Mambo's. I've never been. You've been, Ali?
Of course.
Of course. Hi, I'll go. Look, me and Ali will go though.
Yeah.
I'll go no.
I don't know this bit.
All I'm gonna say is, I don't always look like this, guys.
I know, look at the tan on my head.
But this is the first proper video that I'm in. Like I've featured.
Yeah.
No,
featured.
no, you're definitely in the birthday vlog. I'm gonna post it when I get in.
Oh,
Yeah,
or maybe
but
tomorrow.
at least I look good in that. This one I've just looked like
Yeah, you look great. You
and
look
I sound disgusting.
popping in, locking.
Pop it, lock it.
Okay, daddy.
Oh, good. Anyways,
Should we just make a song on instead of a dance?
Looking like rain, I know why.
I know, I'm so embarrassed. Looks like it's gonna rain. Do you not think we're good?
No.
Maybe with a little more practice.
Yeah, I say that all the time.
I've been practicing for years. My mum says I'm very good.
My dad always tells me I'm a good singer.
Your dad's a liar. Dad, stop. You're feeding it.
My dad is genuine, like he actually thinks I'm a good singer.
My dad thinks I'm good.
Do you know what, like, they're blinded by the love for the child, do you know what I mean?
He said after a few
And I will-
lessons I would have been a star.
When I have kids, I will not lie to them. If they're bad at something, I will tell them. Because they need thick skin. Because when someone actually turns around and goes, that was awful, they'll cry. I'm not having a kid of mine crying.
No. But he's
That sounds awful.
Play, run this back when you've got some kids.
And I'm like, oh, you're doing amazing, Susie. And she's trying to put a circle through the triangle.
Mum, you told me I'm good at my tennis and now you said I'm the vlog.
Them no fit kill, them no fit kill, them no fit kill. My wise man said, follow the stars, there you shall find a piece of advice. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you're not a friend of me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. Got here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken, still had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer, bloody somebody time. Protect my energy from your bad aura. Let my pastor say, I be my healer, everything I desire. Echo the sea, my reading, flow like a river. If you get yawa, come on go and sit down. I go just para, come up my jigger. I go just stay.